Disclaimer: this content is for educational awareness only, not a promotion.
Hey everyone, welcome back to D Reviews, where we expose the truth behind viral videos. Today's feature is ManYu, a dog who's not just living his best life, but living a spa life better than most humans. Massages, facials, manicures, you name it, he's got it. This is a real dog clip posted on the TikTok account Little ManYu. So here's the scene. The bell rings, ManYu trots in like it's his daily appointment. First come the eye patches, then the head massage, a full manicure pedicure session, ear cleaning, a toothbrush sparkle, steam massage, roller treatment, and even a little makeup touch-up. And get this, ManYu is completely calm through all of it. Not a bark, not a wiggle, just pure zen. Now, of course, people on the internet are like, no way, that has to be AI. Because honestly, most dogs start a boxing match the second you touch their paw. Meanwhile, ManYu is chilling like, excuse me, don't forget my other paw. And yes, extra pressure on the head massage, please. But here's the truth, this clip is real. As we said, it is posted on the TikTok account Little ManYu, and if you scroll through, you'll see tons of similar videos. Not only does ManYu love spa time, but there's also another dog named Xiao Bai who enjoys the exact same treatment. That's because their owner trained them since they were puppies, and now it's just their routine lifestyle. Calm? Yes. Fake? Absolutely not. So nope, no AI magic here. Just two spoiled, well-trained pups enjoying spa luxury every dog dreams of. Honestly, same ManYu. If I got daily facials and head massages, I'd be floating in peace too. The full original video is on TikTok at Little ManYu. Links in the description. And if you like these real versus fake breakdowns with a splash of humor, hit that like button, subscribe to D Reviews, and tell us in the comments, would your pet sit calmly through a spa day or turn the place into chaos? Until next time, stay curious, stay entertained, and don't get fooled by viral clips.